Hi everyone, this is Noor and welcome back to my channel. I think I found my new intro to do. Welcome back to my channel. It's quite annoying.
I don't care.
So today I am going to be doing this makeup tutorial for you guys. I have a smoked out liner. I really wanted to do this for so long, and I'm using one of the bestest makeups ever in this video. So if you guys want to see how I created this kind of a soft glam, I don't know what to call this, but if you guys want to see how I created it, please keep on watching. Even though I went tanning, this camera still shows that I am white as hell. What the fuck. Let's start off with the face. It's been a while. I miss you guys so much, so I might stumble a little bit while filming this video because I might kind of like forget my words. But the first thing I'm gonna start off with is I'm gonna be taking my Fenty Beauty. I bought another one. This is going to be my summer primer and I absolutely love it. This is the Fenty Beauty. This is the Soft Matte Pro Filler Primer. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my face. I normally take 2 pumps on my finger and then I kind of put it everywhere. I've been tanning a little bit, so I do feel that I got a little bit darker. So I'm not sure if the Fenty Beauty foundation is gonna be good on me, but I'm gonna give it a try. Sorry, I'm speaking a little bit low. My hubby is still sleeping, so yeah. Let's try to blend it out. Yeah, I think it's still fine. You guys, you won't believe me, it's been a while that I haven't worn any foundation. So this kind of feels weird a little bit on my skin. Because at work, I stopped wearing foundation because since I'm tanner, I feel like my skin is nicer. So yeah, wearing foundation feels good. So I'm gonna go ahead and conceal under my eyes. I'm taking my Kat Von D concealer in light 9. Oh, and for the Fenty Beauty foundation, I forgot to tell you guys the number. This is 190 and this is the Pro Matte or Pro Filler Soft Matte Foundation. I use it all the time in my tutorials. This is really light on my face. It's okay, it's gonna all come together with the powders and whatnot. I'm just gonna highlight just a little bit with a lighter shade. This is the L1 from Kat Von D. So I'm gonna be using my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in Fair. So I'm taking my Kat Von D. This is the Tattoo Finish Powder, Lock It Tattoo Powder Foundation in shade L48. I was L45, so I upgraded. This one I had it like for a while here that I never used. I remember that Cynthia got me this like a few years ago and I just never used it, and I found it. I'm like, hello. So I'm gonna take this and put it everywhere on my face and blend the under eye with it too, so it kind of comes together, you see. Okay, so you see the face is together. It's a little bit illuminated, not too white anymore. I love this powder so much. If you want a nice high coverage powder that looks natural, highly recommend the Kat Von D. Baby! Come!
Are you doing a video?
Yeah, come. Just give me a kiss. You look so cute.
Don't put this on your channel.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. I'm gonna do it.
I need some.
You want some concealer? You want
Just a little bit.
just highlight.
Okay.
You guys want me to do a video doing my husband's makeup?
No.
Or he's doing my makeup? Or you do my makeup?
No.
Yeah, it would be so fun.
Okay, I do you.
Yeah, and I do you after.
No.
I glam you up, Noor style.
No.
This is how my face looks like. I think I'm gonna go ahead and lightly contour before I start my eyebrows. So I've been really loving this product. This is the MAC sculpting powder in Sculpt, and this was from the Maleficent collection. I had this so long. By the way, you guys, I sold most of my MAC stuff. Don't ask me why, I just did. I'm actually trying to, I kept few things from MAC, like most of my liquid lipsticks are there. All of my lipsticks I sold. The lipsticks that I don't use, obviously, I had a lot that were brand new that I sold. I'm trying to get new stuff and trying new things. If you guys don't know, I've worked with MAC for so long and I love the company. It was an amazing experience and everything. And with the move, I found so many things that I had duplicates and so many things that I just don't reach for the most anymore. Things that were new that I never used before, and you know, I put them all in a box. I had like a huge box full of these stuff. I just, you know, in my head I was like, if I sell these, nobody's gonna buy them. But I ended up selling everything and I have few things left that I am selling. I was really surprised that people actually still bought makeup, but they were brand new. They were basically, some powders were used once or twice, but people still bought it, and I was really surprised. So yeah, I'm quite happy about that. Next, I'm going to take my Shade and Light palette. By the way, I have refills for these. They're new, but my palette is quite messy. So I'm taking this light color right here. It's not the yellow one, but this one. I find this one is a bit darker and it's nicer to just dust under the eyes to just illuminate a little bit. And that contour just kind of brings my face together for now. And now for eyebrows, I'm just going to be taking my NYX. This is the Precision Brow Pencil in Taupe. I always start from the bottom. I draw my line. Like that. I've been really liking how I'm doing my eyebrows lately. I used to do them extremely dark. Now I kind of go a bit lighter. I take my powder. This is the Motive Essential Brow Kit. And I take my brush and I kind of start sculpting my brows from there. I really love using powder on my eyebrows. I find it gives me more of somewhat a natural look. A little bit. So yeah, the next powders I want to use are the Benefit ones. They look so nice. I don't know if you guys use them. If you do, let me know what you think about them down below in the comments. But also I saw Kat Von D came out with brow creams. I believe they're called. I might be wrong, but I saw them and she has them in so much colors. I am freaking out. Like, I want to have red brows. I want to have yellow brows. She has like so many funky colors. And that is how I do my eyebrow. It's really easy, and then I go ahead and I set it with some brow gel. This is from MAC. And I set my hairs in place. As you guys all know, I don't really trim my brow hairs because I just don't have hair to start off with. Let's be real. I just kind of do cleanups. This is how I do my brow. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one and I'll be back for the eye tutorial. Alright you guys, so this eye is done. So this is kind of the look that I didn't really want to go for, but I really like it. So we're gonna go for it. So the first thing I'm gonna go ahead and start is applying a primer. I'm using my Kat Von D. This is the Color Correcting Eyeshadow Primer in Fair. I love this stuff. This one you have to work with it really fast though. Once you apply it, you do one eye at a time and then you just fastly blend it into your skin, because once it dries, it's really hard to blend out. So I just like to do it one eye at a time, put it on, blend, and then move on to the other eye if you're doing both eyes at the same time. So next I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Soft Glam palette. I am obsessed with this one. So the first color I'm going to be taking is called Burnt Orange, this one right here. I think I've used this palette before in my tutorials. I really don't remember. So I'm going to take it with a big fluffy brush and I'm going to apply it into my crease area and blend it out as much as I can. I like to drag my eyeshadows out and upwards when it comes to my outer corners right here, just because I feel like I have so much space there, or I have so much skin there. I just like to put something in there too, and I like to kind of create a really shadowed out inner corners too. So just drag and blend, adding a little bit more of burnt orange. Next color I'm going to be taking is called Tempera, and I'm going to just apply a little bit of this onto my eyelid. It feels like I've done this tutorial before using these colors. I know I did. Sorry, but I'm going to be applying a shadowed out liner today, so it's a bit different. I made it with eyeshadow, by the way. It's really cool. You're gonna see how I did that. So I'm taking a little piece of tape like that, and I'm gonna be just removing the tackiness because I don't want it to remove any of my foundations and whatnot. And I'm going to apply, because I want to put a little bit of black down here too, so I have to apply it in a way that I could do that and do it as, you know, similar as the other eye as possible. Stick it on like that. Next I'm going to be taking a color called Noir right here. A lot of people say noir, but it's noir because it's in French. And I speak French, so yeah. And I'm going to go ahead and basically eyeball this. And I have this eyeshadow is so pigmented, you guys. I mean, you can tell. It's really, really pigmented. It's a nice black. I think this is one of my favorite blacks too, other than the Kat Von D one that she has in her palettes. That black is amazing. I'm just gonna do kind of like a faded liner when it comes to the upper lash line. I'm gonna drag a little bit of black down here too, just to kind of have that effect going on. So I want to make sure that these liners are equal, because it's super easy. That's all you do. You kind of cheat with the tape. So this is when you kind of like in a rush and you need to go, but you still want to look a little bit glamorous. This is a great idea to do that. So you kind of like just cheat. And then you rip out the tape. Then I'm taking a small pencil brush. I'm going to be taking burnt orange, the first color I used. And I'm just going to go ahead and create a smoked out lower lash line and blend it with the black. Next I'm going to be taking a color called Sienna. I think this is how you spell it. And I'm going to blend this into the lower lash line too. I'm taking Sienna as well, just a little bit on my big blending brush, and I'm just going to pop it into the outer corners and blending out to just kind of have it a little bit smoked out. I'm gonna highlight a little bit my inner corners. I'm gonna be taking Glistening right here, and I'll pop it into the inner corners. Time for lashes. So before that, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little coat of mascara. I'm just gonna curl my lashes first. Put a little bit of coat of mascara. I am using my Benefit They're Real. I am obsessed with this mascara. You guys have no idea how much I love this mascara. Next I'm gonna be applying lashes. These are the double wispy lashes from Ardell, or double demi wispies lashes from Ardell. I'm gonna apply the lashes and I'll be back for the finish look because my battery is running low. Alright you guys, so the lashes are on, the eyes are done, the brows are done. I love this part right now, is contouring and highlighting and bringing the face together. But before that, I'm just gonna let you guys know that I applied a black liner in my waterline and I used Le Crayon Colle Noir from Lancome. So this is just a black liner that I love so much, and I applied in my waterline. I just realized that I lost my brown one. I had a brown one, I believe from Lancome. I lost it, and I want to cry. I don't know where it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and contour. I'm using my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I'm using Shadowplay in the middle. Just a little bit of that, and then contour the face. Next, I'm taking my Anastasia blush kit. I'm gonna take, I don't know, I think I'm gonna take this color right here, just a little bit lighter to brighten up the face. And this one is called Coastline. Just a bit. And apply it on the apples of my cheeks. Yes. Next, I'm gonna be taking my Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. Then I'm going to be using my Anastasia. This is the Amrezy highlight. And I don't know if it has a name. It's called Amrezy highlight. So look how pretty this is, you guys. Ah, I love it. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that on my cheeks. Next for lips, I'm gonna go ahead really natural. I'm just using a gloss, and this is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. So I'm gonna go ahead and change into my clothes, fix up a little bit my hair, and I'll be back to finish the conclusion of this video because I don't look good right now. Alright, you guys, I'm all changed up and my hair is somewhat fixed up. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll make sure that everything I use in this video is indicated in the info box down below, so you can go ahead and check it out. And also, if you want to go ahead and follow my Instagram, it's also in the info box for you guys. And also, do not forget that I do have a giveaway coming up soon when I hit 14K on my channel. So I'm quite excited. We're getting there, you guys. Let's do it. I have a lot of awesome stuff that I'm going to be giving away. So please, you guys, help me out. Reach 14K so I can do this giveaway because I am so duper excited about it. And also, good news, I'm gonna let you guys know because I already mentioned it on my Instagram, but if you don't follow me on there, I'll mention it on here. My friend Nadia, the creator and the founder of Crown Lashes, is gonna be sponsoring my giveaway. I'm so excited for you guys to try those lashes. They are amazing. I've done a whole review talking about Crown Lashes, so if you haven't seen it, it's gonna be the end of this video. You can go ahead and click it so you can go ahead and watch it. So I'm super thankful, super grateful for Nadia for sponsoring the giveaway, so I'm quite excited about it. I cannot wait, you guys. This is so exciting. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you click the notify button to get notified every time I upload a new video, and don't forget to like this video too if you like this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.